Now, I am about to say something that I never thought I would. I had a good night's sleep last night. And the night before that. All week in fact, I have tipped into bed, my mind restless for one shuddering moment before I turn to lie flat on my back and repeat a well-rehearsed script, at which point my thoughts drop off into dark velvety sleep. A full night's sleep could never have happened a few years ago. I am 44 now, but, until my late 30s, I had insomnia that clung on from childhood and progressively beat me down. 2 decades into the insomnia, at the age of 30, I was waking up, if I had fallen asleep at. Psychiatrist. Skepticism. Autogenic. The protection of natural persons in relation to the processing of personal data is a fundamental right.